To ensure clear communication, we have a team captain on board who is a point of contact between we in the office and the client.
I also ensure that I pair the teams according to their experience and the expertise in the furniture installations.
And to ensure that the flow is maintained and we meet deadlines and we meet the timeline set by the client, we ensure that enough manpower is available, as we have a big pool of trained staff.
We appreciate all our clients, wherever they are, the corporate world, the individuals, more than 15,000 households that we have moved in the last 10 years.
We have the standard operating procedures, the SOPs that Nellions follow while doing the kind of work that they do.
My role in this, I'm here to assemble the flat pans.
We ensure that enough manpower is available, as we have a big pool of trained staff within the Nellions Academy.
The type of people that Nellions uses, the kind of way they dress, the way they behave is very different from the way other companies do. And the guidelines they have makes them different.
Because as movers, we are taught about being reliable, not sharing each and everyone's information, however you may feel like. So choose Nellions. Whenever you want to move, choose Nellions.